Hey Investy Besties, welcome back to the channel. If you're new, welcome. My name is Shalise. I'm a mother, wife, worker bee, and an investor, and I'm trying to get to financial freedom. So if you want some inspiration, some motivation, make sure you like, share, and subscribe. And to all of my returning Investy Besties, thank y'all so much. I do appreciate it. As always, I'm not a financial advisor. I am an investor. I'm in the trenches. I'm documenting our journey here on YouTube from that perspective, okay? And always beware of scammers and fake pages. So I wanted to come on and give a daily investment update for DGRO. If you do not know what I'm talking about in terms of this challenge, I will link the original video below where I announced me doing this $5 daily challenge for the month of November. Why the pick, which is DGRO, which I will share today. And the purpose is just to kind of give not just myself, but anyone else who wants to join the challenge, like that extra push to either hit their investing goals, maybe hit their share size goal, maybe a dividend goal, and putting an extra $5 a day into the market, into a position that you pick, whether it's a stock or a fund. I think it can be really motivating. And I think investing challenges like make it a little bit fun. Let's be real. Sometimes investing, because you know your dollar cost average, you're building your shares, sometimes it can get a little mundane. It's like watching paint dry sometimes. And for those of us who are not really like the risky type of investors, or like trading and options and all of that, investing challenges can, add a little bit of zing or, like something exciting to this journey. And I love watching our shares build in real time. So wow, by the time you guys see this video, we will be almost at the mid mark of November, which to me is insane how fast time is going by. I feel like I just started this challenge a week ago, but in reality, time is just moving, right? And before you know it, it's going to be the week of Thanksgiving. So it's important to be just as on top of our finances, because look at the economy, right? You have shutdowns and different issues, but the markets are at all-time highs, and you see the rich getting richer. So one of the things you can do is get a seat at the table. And one of the best ways to do that is by investing in good stocks, good funds, anything that you find of value. That could be crypto, that could be gold and silver, that could be a business. Whatever it is, that's how you can get a seat at the table. So you will see up on your screen just some of the, I have the reoccurring investment going on for the $5 a day during Monday through Friday. The markets are not open on the weekend. So every Monday morning, I will manually invest $10 to cover the Saturday and Sunday from the previous weekend. Also, if there are any holidays, so like I know Veterans Day, which would I think have passed by the time you see this, and also Thanksgiving, the markets are closed. So I will manually invest $5 probably that next business day to cover those days so that I don't miss, like the opportunity to invest $5 daily, okay? And I think it helps me to stay connected to our investments and our portfolio, because this is real money. Like, this is real money. This is overtime. This is late nights. This is early mornings. This is stress. This is really trying to, hold on to your jobs. This is real money. And this is a real journey for not just my husband and I, but for many of us, many of you who watch this channel, who are just documenting your journey along with me. I know I got another question. Why DGRO? I wanted to really push us to get to our next share size goal with this. Because the next one is 200. So we started at 0 with this particular position. And I've mentioned to you before, there are some, let me back up. Ideally, with all of our positions in every single account that we have. Now we have over 800K invested in the markets. So we really do trust our strategy. I mean, sure, could we get a whole lot of dividends? Yes, but we would not have gotten as much growth in almost 12 years with an 800K portfolio over that amount. And so we really like our strategy, and I ideally want 100 shares in everything that we own. Some of what we own, the cost is low. The cost is nice and low, like SCHG, that's like 32, 33 bucks. Some of the other things that we own, like Visa, is $300 and some odd. Costco is 900 some odd dollars. Though those prices could be up or down by the time you see this video, but I think you guys get the point. So we want to just build. I mean, like I said, could we put our money in like QQQI or some high yield max and get a big dividend? Yes. But I believe we would not have gotten a lot of growth, which is why in that video I put out where I showed you the portfolio is that, you know, our strategy, my husband and I, we trust it and we're going to continue with it. Now, anybody else want to put their money anywhere else? They can do that because that's their money. But yeah, we want to get 100 shares and everything. So I'm trying to some of the positions, though, once we do get the 100 shares, we want to continue building because we just really like the fun. We like the makeup of it. We like how it's been performing. If we get a dividend, we like the dividend from it. And so this is DGRO. Now, DGRO is managed by iShares. That's the firm. Well, the firm that owns iShares is BlackRock. I don't know if you guys really knew that. And that's just a little bit of trivia for you guys, is that like SCHD or SCHD, that's Schwab. That's the firm behind it. If you like FXAIX, that's Fidelity behind that. VTI, VOO, VT, VIG, VYM, VXUX. That is Vanguard behind those funds. So, you know, I know SPLG just changed its ticker. Guess what the firm behind that is? State Street Global Advisors. So, you know, I like the firm. I know I'll get asked often, like, which investment firm or brokerage company do you like the most? Fidelity, Vanguard. And, you know, I'll just say I like all of them for different reasons. And I think that's okay as well. I don't have to just pick like one and that's it. I just like certain types of ETFs. And it just happened to be managed by Schwab or iShares or Fidelity or even Vanguard, right? And so, you know, we want to get 200 shares of DGRO, but that takes time. So doing these small daily $5 challenges helps to push you a little bit on top of the normal investing that, you know, my husband and I would do every time we get paid. And I think the big motivator behind this is that, number one, I'm 41. So I ideally, and my husband too, I mean, we don't want to have to work up until retirement age. I mean, I think the current retirement age is it 65 or 67? I can't even think. And then I'm hearing whispers on the street, and that's the sun changing. So that's why you see the light, like, it's kind of weird. I love the sun, but it's kind of making a glare now, but just bear with me. Okay, so I moved the phone because the glare was coming in from the sun is starting to move. And I love the sunshine. When you're trying to make videos, it's kind of like, ooh. I don't even know what I was just saying. I was trying to move the phone. I don't talk with scripts. Someone asked me, like, do you have scripts for your videos? I didn't think you guys would even, I don't talk with a script. I thought everybody could tell. I just kind of just talk. I love having conversations. I love just chatting, especially when it comes with finances. But with DGRO, we want to get to 200 shares. So we're just trying to get there, even on top of the bigger investments that we do every single month, because we don't want to have to work so long. This is what I was saying. We don't want to have to work up until retirement age. I would love to retire early. My husband would love to retire early, but we're not counting in Social Security. We don't get a pension. I don't think any millennials, well, I mean, you may get a pension, but most of us do not. And so we need to make sure we're putting things in place, vehicles in place that we can access that will help us to live when we do want to retire early, or God forbid, you know, we lose our jobs, because that's a thing. Or you get sick, right? You just don't know. So, yeah, that's a quick update on our DGRO. I've been getting this question, like, would I continue it through the end of the year? Because I'm just so used to it now, which is crazy. After like a week or so, I'm just used to it. And let's be honest, that $5 a day, I probably would have spent somewhere else, eating it, wearing it, and I really don't need it. If I can put that money in the market and just let it sit there, I don't need it next week. And this is why you have an emergency fund. If you don't have an emergency fund, work on building it at least 1 month. I know Dave Ramsey says $1,000, but at least 1 month, because that will cover all of your expenses. $1,000 is not even enough nowadays for rent or mortgage, or a car issue, God forbid. That's not enough. So at least 1 month, like, you got to write down all of your expenses. And that way you know what the goal is. And remember, the holiday season is here. You don't need to buy a whole bunch of stuff to give to people, especially if things are a little bit tighter right now, or if you have other goals. If you want to invest more, if you want to pay off debt more, if you want to save more, that could be a Christmas present to yourself. And the kids don't need a whole lot of honestly, a whole lot of stuff, to be honest. They get them a few things from Five and Below. And my kids love Five and Below. And I have a 19-year-old. She loves Five and Below. Give them like 25 bucks there. They can pick out a couple things and just go on with that, because you want to make sure you're being strategic with your finances. Look at the current economic state this country and this world is in, okay? So let me know down below how you're doing. If you're doing the challenge, let me know how you're doing with it. Are you continuing to build up your shares? Let me know, if you are doing the challenge, what you are investing in, so we can all get, see what each other is doing and motivate each other on this journey. Again, guys, thank you so much for watching. Make sure you like, you share, and you subscribe. Tickle that notification bell so that you don't miss an upload every time I post a video. And until next time, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye-bye.